Yes, what an incredible time to be a student. If you want assistance in solving your assignments or projects, simply get it down to us on this group chat, or you can click on the subscribe button for this video so that you get subscribed to our channel. Supply your assignments and projects to our website and get very quick response to your work. Our platform helps the students to get solutions to assignments and projects. We do them and send to you, then it is your duty to make inputs to them before you get them submitted. It is your duty to review it and put it in the format that you want. So for you to have your assignments and projects to have help in them, please just get to Google Play Store, download our application, our app. Just type in inside the search for the Google Play Store, Tclassified.com. Once you download the app, there's a menu in the app where you click, you see where they wrote submit assignments. Click on it, write in your assignments and your data, submit. Once we finish doing it, we'll send it to your email. Very, very super fast and simple. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you get to the YouTube, just type in Tclassified.com, click on the subscribe button. You can, as you're watching this video now, you'll see a subscribe button below. Just click on it so that anytime we release lecture videos, we actually teach in the platform. We release lecture videos, any department that you are in, you will get them and you follow up. Now, the WhatsApp group is Uni Abuja Lectures. Uni Abuja Lectures, that's the name of the WhatsApp group. You have lectures for every department and you can receive help in your assignments. It's something like a forum. Other people can also help in sorting out questions that you bring in. Now, for inquiry, you can simply call my number 07067162698 if you want to get further information on how to get helps in your assignments and projects. So you can try it out now. Just send your assignment now to this group chat. If you're seeing this from a WhatsApp group, send it. You can just send to the WhatsApp group. It's the same thing as when you send through our app. But very soon, the one sent through our app will receive faster attention. So it's always good you download this app or subscribe to the channel. Then every video you see on the channel, you can send in your assignment through the comment section. You also see it and will respond to it. So try this now. What an incredible time to be a student. You can always get to our website www.jamwayeknekouni.com. Get to our website and see other resources that we are offering. Thank you. If you need further inquiry, you can hook me up on my number. Call me 070-671-62698. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.